and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Fellows, welcome to Rocket AI, the powerful new app that replicates the most in-demand gigs and jobs and turns them into fully automated AI-based agencies in under 90 seconds. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use all the features of this new app. Starting with at the top here, we can see the setup for our agency and all the different steps that we can take to get it set up, finding jobs and setting up our manager, getting everything branded and ready to go. We can also see our leads generated, our campaign sent out, and we have the AI agents right here that are ready to go to solve all of your problems with specific prompts that you can copy in, and the job finder right here. Now we can go up to the Tools tab right here, and this is where the magic really happens. This is how you create a fully automated AI-based agency. So here we have the AI setup. This will take us through the wizard where we can set up our agency in any niche in just a few clicks, as I'll be showing you. Then we have the AI gig finder. This is very good for filtering out different gigs and jobs across the web in all different cities. Then we have the chatbot agents. This is here to give you all the answers you need in a chosen service. All you have to do is specifically prompt them. And last but not least, we have the AI Business Manager, and that will help you manage and scale by tracking client projects, invoices, proposals, customers, leads, and more. So now we can go ahead and get set up with our new AI agency. So we can see all of our information here that we'll need for the agency. This includes business cards, brochures, proposals, ads, legal contracts. Everything you need here is done for you. So now if we want to get started with our agency, we can click on Get Started. And here you can see all the agency websites that are previously created. So you can create different websites for different services that you like to sell and deliver. Say if you want to do websites, you can do that. You can also do one for SEO, VSL, whatever it is that you want. Now we can go ahead and click on Create Website, and this will let you set up your own done-for-you agency. So to start off, we want an agency name. I'm just going to call it a specific name. We have the contact notification. This will be us. And we can add JavaScript here and favicons as icons as well. There's also the SEO section here. We can add the information for the meta and also add an image. After we're done with that, we can hit save and continue. Next, we have our services. And you can see all the content is done here for you. So you can go ahead and select VSL services and it will populate here. And we can see all the different services that we have available to us through this drop down. We also have the ability to upload the information here, as you can see, and it has its own code, name, description, everything's done for you. Then we have the benefit of the service. Are you expertise? Are you results driven? Time, cost, efficiency. We can see all of that. And as we can see, as that's selected, it's added here. Now we can also modify this if we so choose, and then we can hit save and continue. Then what's a website without testimonials? We want testimonials to showcase that we know what we're doing and we have expertise. So we can go ahead and select different testimonials here. So as you can see, they're all selected here. You can upload images that we want based on the size, and then we can hit save and continue. Now we have our content here. So this is where we unleash our potential brand. We've put our video URL. That's going to be an embedded link from YouTube and a call to action button. Collect leads. Here is going to be our auto responder code. That's what we're going to take, the opt-in code, and put it here. So you can go ahead and take, say, your get response, or maybe it's your MailChimp, or whatever it is that you're using, and paste this code in here. And we have what we do. So we're just going to go ahead and change our company name right here. And you want to do that throughout all the text here as well. Make sure to replace that with the company name. And we can upload an image here as well. Then we have the about. You can add the about for a website as we enter information for our websites. And last but not least, we can enter our information here, such as our phone number, our Facebook page, our Twitter or X, Instagram, LinkedIn, and our email. And then put our address and hit save and continue. And last but not least, we can select a template as you saw with the website. So we can go ahead and select our template right here, and boom, we are good to go. So just a few clicks, I have the website ready to go, and you can also use the editor as well. So this is our website right here. You can add a custom domain to this website for branding purposes, and we can see how the website looks from top to bottom. So once you have your website set up for your agency, then you can find relevant jobs. So let's take a look. So now that we have our website all done, we can click on Job Finder here, find jobs. Now all these jobs are ready to go for you. You can search across the web and find the best jobs using these Finder. These are people, also keep in mind, who are very interested and ready to buy from you. They're hot leads, so the chances of closing these are extremely high. They're looking for it and they're hungry. So now we can go ahead and search. I'm going to search for a specific niche, say professional writers, and put in a city here such as Los Angeles, and go ahead and click search. And now we can see all of the different jobs here, what they're looking for, data annotation. We can also save them later, or we can apply right here. It even has the amount right here, contract, and all the information that you'll need. So now that you have your agency website, which we created in a few clicks, and also now that we have all the clients ready to sell these services to, then you'll need to deliver the service. Let's see how to do that. So now we can go ahead and click on AI Chatbot Agents to deliver the service. And we can click on Get Started. Now here we have 40 plus AI Chatbot Agents to deliver your chosen service with zero effort from yourself. You might say, I don't have expertise in YouTube ads copywriter or recruitment or customer service or copywriter, and that's okay. You don't have to be an expert. All you have to do is use the prompts, and you don't even have to come up with the prompts. You can go ahead and copy and paste them. We can use them for real scenarios and play with it, such as Harry, the copywriter here. I can copy this, literally put in my topic, and go ahead and prompt the AI. You can think of these like ChatGPT or Claude that are specifically designed to answer your questions as you prompt them. As we can see here, all the information is done. So you can say develop a YouTube video title, and you can go ahead and prompt these with ready to go prompts. You don't have to even come up with that. So now that you literally have the agency website, the clients to sell these services to, and an army, as we saw, of specialized agents at your disposal to fulfill their services, you'll need to manage and scale the business efficiently. Let's see how to do that. Now we want to pop into the AI Business Manager right here. And literally here you have everything you need to scale your business by efficiently tracking client projects, invoices, proposals. As we can see here, we can see the dashboard, the leads, you can see all the different clients you have, HR, from employees to appreciation, work, finance, everything that you need right here. You can also see the products that they have, the orders. We even have tickets. So say there's a technical issue or there's a problem or there's something going on. You have events. So if there's a big event coming up, you have the calendar all set up here. You can message people and talk to them right inside of the app and start new conversations. No need to message outside. You even have the notice board with something coming up, a whole knowledge base at your disposal right here, and various reports from different task reports, time logs, finance reports, attendance reports, leads reports, sales reports. And then last but not least, we do have the settings on the left-hand side just to adjust anything on different settings from the apps, profile, roles permissions, and task settings. So here in this dashboard, you literally can do everything that you need to do, from setting up your clients, your workflows, setting up events, taxes, everything, products, orders, finance. It is all here. So hopefully you can see the power of this app, as it is very efficient in getting everything you need to do done. From setting up your agency to branding your agency, activating your AI agents, the job finder to find every single job you need that are hot leads, and to keep track of it all in your agency manager. If you use this efficiently and effectively, you can fulfill jobs for multiple different services in different industries. I look forward to seeing your success with Rocket AI.